Good morning. It's about 8 a.m. and I'm, I'm about to put some onion in my crock pot. I'm cooking some chicken breast, and because chicken breast is hard for me to swallow, I need to cook it down to where it's gonna fall apart. So it's basically ready for that. And I like my onions a certain way, so I put them in my crock pot a little bit later. You can put yours in your pan and fry it down, and all of that good stuff if you choose to. I absolutely love onions. The reason why I have to cut them so fine is because my neighbor's going to get some of this. She doesn't like onions. She'll eat them as long as she can't actually pick it out. If she can pick it out, she's going to sit there and pick every onion out. So they have to be extremely small for her. She's not feeling well, so. This is really, really hard on my hands. Trust me. That was a shame, right? Shame and disgrace. Don't start with me. I will come over there. Now this pot has just some chicken in it. Shame on me. I did. I'm not used to. I should have took my vegetables out before. The only thing that I have in this crock pot is butter. That's all I have in this crock pot is butter. But I am not supposed to eat chicken breast. It is too hard for me to swallow. But I have I have a desire to have some. So who knows? Hopefully it will be able to be eaten. I'm gonna put some Mrs. Dash and some oregano. And I'm gonna put some of this in it. Not too much because I want it lightly seasoned. This is going to be over my rice. That's it. Over my rice. And I'm going to let it continue to cook down. You might see my butter at the bottom of that pan. I'm going to put something in here a little bit later, but I'm going to let my frozen vegetables add some liquid to this and see how it comes out. And that will be my meal. Hello again, it's me. I realized that I don't really want my meal over rice. I made some chicken a few days ago with cream of chicken soup. So I turned the pot off because my pot has been on long enough. But I realized actually this is what I want. So I'm gonna put in my cream of. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm just gonna have this in a bowl, and that's my meal. Because I'm not used to using cream of chicken soups and stuff like that. But when I made the chicken with I think it was chicken, I liked it. So this is my meal. I let it cook maybe about 20 minutes with the vegetables in it, so it's absolutely done. And my meat is flavored and everything. So I'm just gonna let this sit here on warm for about maybe 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and make my breakfast bowl because it is going on 9 o'clock now. Time for the girl to eat. I think I've been up since about 3 a.m. Hello again. I had to sit here. My food is basically warm. I started coughing, but you know what I noticed? My neighbor, when she comes over here, she coughs a lot. And at one time, I thought maybe she had COVID. I'm not being disrespectful, but she was coughing a lot. But then this morning, I realized that I was coughing a lot over the last couple of days. And then I had company yesterday, and he kept saying something's in my throat. So I'm like, and then a few minutes ago when I went to eat, something got in my throat, and I'm coughing and coughing and coughing and coughing. So I'm like, wait a minute, something is. So I went to Chat GPT to ask. You know, I always clean, I always vacuum, but it basically says the vents in the air system. It could be moisture in the air. It could be pollutants in the vacuum. I mean, in the carpet. And to put the mattress in one of those bags, and my mattress is in there. I vacuum every day. I clean every day. But it also says to close the windows because it could be the outside pollutants. And I do know there's a tree across the street that a lot of people get allergic to, but I don't believe it's the winter time. But I do believe that the heat in here could be the cause because it just recently started, and it says if the house is high heat, it could be the heating system. So I'm sitting here now looking for what it suggests is air purifier, whatever like that. Anyway, It's time for me to taste my groceries. But I'm kind of worried because I drank some water, but I still feel, and I know at one time I had a lot of air fresheners in here. I believe that's gone. My migraines are gone, but I gotta figure it out. I can't have my neighbor because I notice when I'm in her house, she's not coughing like that. She has carpet everywhere, but she has all of this plastic that she purchased from Amazon taped across her whole entire carpeted area. So I don't know. It is definitely something in here, but I don't know what it is. But I do know my vents need to be cleaned. So I don't know how I'm gonna get up there. Maybe I won't. Maybe I just put it downstairs and let the super come do it. But I noticed that there's a lot of dust inside the air filter. I do know that. Mmm. Mmm. Black pepper. Oh, I hate black pepper. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness. I just ate a string bean. And the only way I would get that string bean is through these vegetables right here. Ooh, I am bad about string beans. Yes, I am. Oh my goodness. I love the crunch in my onions. There's times when I want my onions cooked down in butter and, you know, really soft. And then there's times I want to. So, I really like that. Let me see what time it is. Oh, it's not even 10 a.m. yet. I done knocked out these cards, 2 loads. I tell you, I love waking up in the wee hours of the morning. But anyway, I'm gonna bid you farewell because I'm gonna look into this this air purifier. But I'm gonna have a good day. Thank you.